Bro, I'm eating too many carbs. I'm not losing weight. Dude, it's not the carbs that's making you fat. Bro, you know what? I don't like carbs only, bro. Is there anything else I can eat? Oh, don't worry, bro. Because today we are going to be making some mouth-watering chicken stuffed peppers, which is low on carbs and high on protein. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. Before we move into the recipe, there's one thing I need all of you guys to understand, and we need to put this myth to rest. Carbs or eating carbs does not make you fat. It's a calorie surplus that makes you fat. So if you are eating above your maintenance calories, what is maintenance calories? It's the amount of calories you would be consuming to maintain your current weight. And if you are eating above that, that puts you in a surplus, and that is what makes you fat. So whether you're eating 200 grams of carbs, 300, 400, 500, it does not matter, guys. As long as you are in a deficit that is eating lesser calories than your maintenance, you are fine. You will continue to lose weight. So do not get worried. But if you are looking for a low carb recipe, then look no further, because today we'll be making some chicken stuffed peppers, which not only is immensely delicious, but it's easy to make, filling, and high in protein. And before we go over the ingredients, like always, the calories and the macros for this entire recipe will be mentioned at the very end. So make sure you watch the entire video. And there's one more thing you guys need to do for this recipe to taste really good, and that is like, subscribe, and comment. So please do it. Okay, now moving on to the ingredients. You will need 250 grams of chicken breast cut into small pieces, about half of a chopped onion, 56 grams of reduced fat or low fat cheese, 2 bell peppers, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 whole egg, 2 cloves of garlic, 7 grams or half tablespoon of oil, and finally the spices, which are 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half tablespoon of garam masala. Moving on to the recipe. In a pan on medium flame, let's coat it with some cooking spray and add the chicken breast. Once it's well cooked, set it aside. On the same pan, let's now add the oil. Wait till it heats up and then go in with the onions, green chilies, and the garlic. While that was cooking, I went ahead and chopped the cooked chicken into smaller pieces. Now this step will help bring the stuffing together, so I highly recommend doing it. And once the onions are cooked, let's go ahead and add the egg along with all the spices. Time to then go in with the chicken along with some salt and give it a good mix. Then turn off the heat and add half of the cheese into the mix, and your stuffing is now ready. After that, let's go ahead and add the chicken stuffing into the 2 bell peppers, just like this. Finally, it's time to bake these bad boys. So feel free to bake them in an oven or in an air fryer. I personally use an air fryer at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. And about halfway through, I remove them from the air fryer and top them with the remaining cheese. Now, you can do this even before baking them, but personally for me, I wanted to make my bell peppers a little bit more crunchier, but at the same time, I didn't want to overcook the cheese. And there you go, guys. Your chicken stuffed peppers are all ready. Just look at that. Now moving on to the calories and the macros. So this entire recipe is a total of about 607 calories, of which 18 grams are carbs, 24 grams are fat, and 80 grams are protein. And if you divide this into 2 servings, so each stuffed bell pepper is about 304 calories, of which only 9 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 40 grams are protein. And with that, we end this video, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. Please do subscribe and do try the recipe out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And with that, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.